I think with technology it can be really useful, but when we do this, we have to maintain a certain ethics. For example, we can claim other works as ours since this is an offense to any ethical means, and it is even considered a crime. When we navigate in the internet, we want to make sure we're in the right website, not a fake, scammy, edgy website. So that can be checked through credentials that can be found either on the domain or at the end of the website. If we're looking for reliable information in a website, make sure that that website has a .org, .edu, or .gov pages. Now let's talk about buying online. Buying online are something to be aware of. Be sure that to buy on websites that are well known, that have references, and that because there's many card frauds out there, so we really need to take an eye out for that. Just remember, if something is too good to be true, it is probably a scam.
We are living in a society that is based on technology. It can be a good tool or a bad one depending on how we learn to use it. You need to learn how to safely use technology because in the near future, every job will be done with technology. You need to navigate safely because there are many risks. You can be easily hacked or given fake news and information. You need to learn how to identify real and fake information and on which pages you should enter and not for avoiding these problems. But also, you are the one that makes the difference. You need to stop publishing what is not supposed to on the internet. Otherwise, people can make stereotypes of others or lose their money because of what you did.
It becomes really important, and in order to establish those ideas, we created a manual that explains how to be safe online and how to be unethical within your work. On it, we establish how to use secure networks, identify reliable sources, how to make an accurate search, how to decide which source to use, which type of documents to use, how to select important information on a document, how you should prevent doing copy-paste, and finally, how to give credit of your work by citing sources.